All right, we are leaving the cruise port and we're heading to Bathers Beach. Oh, I thought we're at the Bathers Beach, and I'm like, oh my god, I want to get a picture with the naked lady. Andrea reminded me that she has a bathing suit on, and I'm like, you know that male brain, how it works, right? Check it. Oh, Andrea's gonna sit with her. You can sit with her. There you go. There you go. I'm sitting with her too. There's Andrea. All right. There's a lighthouse out there in the corner. Old guy in a Speedo. That's gonna be me someday. Well, I'm kind of already there.
So beautiful.
There's me in my Speedo.
I would be here if we were here for just a day. This is where I would be.
This is what yeah, the beach. I mean, it's gonna be 110 today, they said. 110 degrees today. And it's just gorgeous right here at the beach. What I notice is if you're in the cruise port, everything is real close. There's the Maritime Center. The Queen Mary is past that. So if you're in port with the cruise ship and you're in Fremantle, it's pretty cool. Everything is in walking distance. You just get off the ship and just walk to everything in town. Definitely a nice beach. That's the other thing. If you're on a cruise ship, you could literally walk off the ship and just walk over to this area and you can go right to the beach. It doesn't seem to be that far because the Queen Mary is right on the other side there. You might take your free shuttle bus into town and then just walk over here to the beach, the market. Everything is close by. You know what's pretty cool here is like, look at that. There's a statue there of a dog. There's a statue here of a dude. I mean, they have art statue. Well, you saw the lady at the beach, the statue there. I mean, they have all these bronze statues that are just pretty, very amazing, and it's all very artsy. Very cool, real cool. It's a great little cruise port city to be walking around in. Very safe, and everything is really. I mean, I'd come back here in a heartbeat. Look, there's another piece of artwork. It's everywhere. Ashtray. Check out these boats. So this is like their pier. You just walk around the pier. Look, I'm telling you, with the artwork. Check this out. Check this out. More bronze artwork, man. It's friggin' cool. Check it out, man. It's just cool. It's cool. It's everywhere. They really do a good job with it.
Some more down here.
Check it out, man. More artwork. There was the dog over there across the street. It is really amazing, man. It's just It really is, man. Australia. Fremantle is just pretty cool town, or city, if you will. Obviously, it's a port city. Andrea wants to get a picture with the fishermen. Nice. Thanks for coming along on Hubbard's journey and our little walk around Fremantle Bathers Beach. Ciao for now.